Hi guys, today I wanted to introduce you to a few new additions that I got at a reptile expo. So I got 3 new babies. One currently has no name, one is Morningstar, and one is Sushi. I had help picking the name, so I did not choose those, but I thought it would be fun since I got to name my other 2. They have been webbing up and molting for me and doing all the things that they should be doing, so I am very excited and I can't wait for them to get bigger so I can actually see more coloration. Yeah, so today I'm going to be cleaning out their little mini enclosures. They are in these little plastic cups. This is what I got them in, and I've just been misting and feeding. Some of them went to molt right away, so I didn't want to disturb them too much. But now that I've had them and I know they're settled in and doing good, I'm gonna go ahead and clean these out a little bit, leaving their little hammocks alone, their little bedrooms, and picking up some of the little deceased fruit flies and giving it a mist. And I'll try to record as much as I can of that and also see if I can get some of their little faces on camera.
I need today, I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Alright you guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!